episode 4.
Are you done with the bowl?
We're just doing firing, okay? So
Roman?
I'll do this right now.
Over there.
And look, here's this gun I'm gonna fire, but you'll barely see it, so
Watch me.
did you hear that?
Watch this.
Watch out for Charlie. Charlie, get out of there.
Good,
Put
Charlie.
it in there. And did you crank that?
Oh, I did. Crank. This.
Okay,
Yeah,
you're
there
firing a shotgun.
You're good. It's got locks.
Did you shoot it?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't see it. How? Is that a real gun or fake?
It's real.
It's a BB gun.
A bit what?
Roman,
Uh-huh.
why did you drop it?
I didn't.
Look at the dirt that got in here. That's the worst thing that can possibly happen to a gun.
Well, guys, sorry to cut it short. Just episode 5 is gonna be nature walk, so sorry. Ching. See you next time.